I just want to know who the f you are and what's going on. I just want to know what the hell you're doing here. That's all.
You don't have to know who I am.
Who are you?
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Jack Miller has been featured in a few videos on this channel. Most notably was his lawsuit against the San Angelo police after they unlawfully detained, assaulted, and battered him in front of his 3-year-old son. That lawsuit was recently settled for $125,000. Check the link above to see that full story. Since the incident, Jack has been recording police interactions and posting them to his channel, Blue Line Whistleblower. On April 1st of 2022, he was recording an incident involving a shooting. The incident occurred on the fringes of Tom Green County, where the properties are sparse and typically owned by farmers. Jack had parked on a public road, keeping a considerable distance away from the scene of the incident as to not interfere. As the deputies cleared the scene, a local property owner, Ronnie Wegner, pulled up alongside Jack's vehicle.
Hey,
Who are you?
who are you? Who are you?
I live here.
Okay.
You don't.
You live here?
Yeah, I own the property here. And I see this car that's got all this crap on it. It makes me a little uncomfortable. I don't know who you are, where you come from. And you sit over here watching people and shit like you're either on drugs or scoping the place out. I don't know what the hell you're doing here.
Right now, I was seeing what was going
I'm
on
not
here.
mad. I just want to know who the f you are and what's going on, you know?
Right now, I came here because all the siren, everybody hauling ass this way, and that's why I'm sitting there. We're close by.
Yeah, you have a job?
Yeah,
What's your job?
I'm doing it.
What is your job?
I'm doing it.
What is your job? Where do you work?
I work for myself.
And what do you do?
Why are you asking me all these questions? I mean,
Because I don't know who you are. You're on my road, and you're over here.
Your road?
I don't know what you're doing. What? You could tell me.
I mean, this is. What do you mean?
This ain't a public road, buddy.
That's what it shows. It's a public road.
This
so.
is not. You don't have no business on this road.
Yeah,
I don't know what your business is. As far as I know, you're over here trying to rob my shit. I don't know that.
And regardless of what I tell you,
Well, I just want to know what the hell you're doing here. That's all.
I told you what I was
Would
doing.
you like it if I hung out at your house?
I'm not hanging out at your house.
I know. Yeah, you are. I own the property right here. That's my property line.
Right where?
Right here. Right there. Right there in that corner. I lease this place. So I want to know what the hell you're doing here. Is that a fair question?
I told you what I was doing.
No, you didn't. You just said you were sitting here.
I told you I came here.
You saw all the cars and shit. This isn't the first time I've seen you. And then you got all this bullshit, cops and all this bullshit on here.
Yep, for very good reason.
Like that
Real
got
good
a
reason.
problem. They got a mental problem.
No,
Or they got in trouble with the law or something.
no, that's not it either.
Well, I want to know what the hell you're doing here.
I just told you what I was doing here.
What?
I came here because the sirens were coming this
Why were
way.
you sitting on the road the other day, scoping this house out?
Scoping what house out?
You sitting over on the side of the road the other day. This is the third time
I pull over to use my phone. I mean,
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't using your phone.
what was I doing
I don't
then?
know who you are.
You don't have to know who I am.
Who are you?
It doesn't.
Get out of you? You
What?
want me to pull a gun and shoot your ass?
You know you just committed assault.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Just by saying that,
Do
that's
you
assault.
want something like that to happen?
There's a difference in assault and then battering, actually
I'm not.
physically.
I'm trying
No,
to-
you just threatened me. You just said you would. I like you to get out and whoop my ass or shoot me. I'm not sure. I know most of them, and I got you on video.
I don't know.
Well, you will whenever I file charges on you. What are you threatening me for?
I'm not. I want
Yes,
to know
you
why
are.
you're on my property acting weird.
I just
That's all
told you what
wanna
I was
know.
doing.
I want to know why you're sitting here on my property.
The video ends as Mr. Wagner dives into Jack's vehicle in an attempt to grab Jack's phone. Jack got away and drove down the road to call the sheriff's office, who took over an hour to respond. Since the incident, 2 of the local news channels covered the story, denying that the Tom Green Sheriff's Office was involved, and that is partially true. Mr. Wagner is not and has never been employed by the Tom Green County Sheriff's Office. He is simply a veteran of 23 years that apparently doesn't understand the right to free press. Regardless, the way that the sheriff's office is involved is actually their lack of involvement. Jack filed a criminal complaint against Mr. Wagner. Under section 22.01, assault states that a person commits an offense if the person intentionally or knowingly causes physical contact with another, when the person knows or should reasonably believe that the other will regard the contact as offensive or provocative. Under section 31.03, theft is defined as unlawfully appropriating property with intent to deprive the owner of property without the owner's effective consent. There are also big considerations about Mr. Wagner's comments about beating Jack and getting his gun to think about. To date, it appears as though absolutely nothing has been done. The sheriff's office tells callers that there isn't even evidence of a crime. They have, however, claimed to a local news source that the incident is currently under investigation and that upon completion, the case will be referred to the appropriate prosecutor. 3 weeks later, it seems that they are still investigating the 4-minute video. What do you think would have happened if Mr. Wagner had been the one to call and showed the sheriff's office a video of Jack doing the same thing to him? Let me know what you think down below. Does the sheriff's office have enough to send this to a prosecutor? A big thanks to Jack for sending this in. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.